not only freezer support to the block, but the fridge they block. I want one. You see it? I want one. Just they look me. They look me. You see now? I they lose now. See how they do so. So, I don't lose that come out. Now here the 4th day. Now here the 4th day. I go down. Just wait. Not the watch you. No come out. Watch at the end. You see as I will take one finish. Yes, I'm coming. When your fridge block, when you say your fridge, normal fridge, it they block. When your normal fridge they block, when it's something block the hole, you have to use sweeping machine. When you lose the board, this board, you use this one to blow the hole. I'm coming. You see it now? There is another hole here. You know, you have 2 holes. There is another one here. I have to open it again. You see, I open it. We're still doing it too. finish. I don't throw the hole. The fridge will not block anymore. Normally, it's only freezer used to block, not fridge. This one start with the block. And it's big fridge, large, family fridge. So I'm finished with this. I have to couple it back. Look, there is hole here. Let me show you what I did here. You can see this hole. See the other one. These two holes. So I'm through with them. Okay. Let me couple it back. See it? How to do it back. See? See this one? Put it back. Now, lock it. I have to tie it back. So I've already tied it. I've tied it. This stuff. Return it. Everything. Yeah. So I want couple everything back. I want to arrange them. If everything 3 days before, I go on them. Now we'll see them. Okay, man. Voila. Okay. See this thing. That's how you tell me say the fridge, na big fridge, not be small fridge. Very big. I have to put this one back. After that glass, you will put this one. Sometimes it be like say that they do us ojoro. This fridge now this year now the guarantee finish. No say na 2 years guarantee that they give. Now this year the guarantee finish. Now it start to develop fault so. You see, be like something where the remote, whether not the remote are for their company there, I don't know. 2 years old, nothing done. But this year now guarantee don't finish. Now it just start so. Let me arrange the tip put. Okay now, I don't finish everything. Anybody when you fit the block, may try service and by yourself, on service you need. Even though they come, people when they don't know comfortable. Even see person when go repair like they had, you know, even they. You know they. Even though they come serve, they tell you say me you go buy another one. You go buy another one. This one now you go throw away. Now what that they do? Maybe that one. So If you no come the person wey you see dey get idea by yourself, you just go throw am like that, and then they will really scatter am for you. That one no dey anything. No dey hard them to scatter. No dey hard them. Once you just put am for outside, before you know what you dey, they come carry am. They go scatter am. They don pieces am throw am. Na just be that one. So na so. And this fridge, if you carry am reach Africa, e no go even take you anything when they will take do one for you. Now small money now you will give them, they will just do one. But for here, they tell you say instead of you to go repair and go and buy another one, you have to go and buy another one. So now one of my guy, now where I dey work, now he tell me say, man go do one, their fridge fit do like that. My person tell am say make go do one like that. He do one, the fridge begin dey work, you know they blocked in today. So now I fit do one so. If your whole see day like that, go do one like this. Why take service this one, service like this. Not throw away am o. You say you go buy fridge, only 2 years. You go guarantee finish. You know if you carry and go back, you go throw away the fridge. Nothing do am o. Now blow, you go blow that hole where dey inside. Blow am. The fridge will just dey work normal. Nothing happen. And so it be. Okay now. Once I don't do am finish, I dey arrange this back.